Part of what we do for accident victims is we help them access all avenues of recovery and benefits that they by law have access to. And what that means is that we actually help direct and provide advice on the types of treatment that are available to them. We also help assemble a team of rehabilitation therapists and physiotherapists, medical practitioners to help coordinate your treatment so that you get the absolute best treatment possible. And often that's through the accident benefit system. Under most policies where an injury is not considered minor, you have up to $65,000 worth of medical treatment that is available to you. In addition to that, that $65,000 can also be used to access attendant care. So in the event that you require surgery or you need supervisory care of some sort, there are those benefits available. However, the system requires a very strict process that has to be followed in order for you to access those benefits. So it's incumbent on the law firm, in this case my firm, would help coordinate all this for you. In addition to that, there are occasions when insurance companies will say no. They'll flat out request or deny a request for certain types of treatment. So again, the law says that if a benefit has been denied, you have to take steps within a 2-year period to dispute that denial. Now, filing the appropriate paperwork is a process, something that, yes, an individual can do, but a law firm has expertise in doing that. There's also a cost to it, and you have to do it properly. There are specific forms that have to be filed, amongst other stuff. When somebody's injured in an accident, the number one thought most people have is, how am I going to end up paying for my bills if I'm physically or mentally disabled? And accessing these benefits is not a straightforward process. And there are other benefits that are available to you under certain circumstances. So many people don't appreciate that when you're injured in an accident, like an ATV accident, you have access to what is called an income replacement benefit through the insurance company. That income replacement benefit will pay for most policies, which are referred to as the standard policy, up to $400 per week for an income replacement benefit. We help identify other avenues of recovery or access to benefits that may be available to you. For instance, most people have access through their employer, private disability plans, for instance, short-term disability or long-term disability. Again, that is an application process. It has to be, the forms have to be completed, medical certificates have to be provided to the insurance company, and all of that is needed to open up the policy so that you can start being paid. Most short-term disability policies will pay you 90% or 100% of your income, while long-term disability policies will generally pay between 60 to 70%. What we do is we make sure that the insurance companies are well informed so that you actually get the benefits that you've paid for. As a last resort, there are other government benefits that are also available to you. For instance, EI can pay you a sick leave benefit for up to 15 weeks. It taps out at $485. There's also a CPP disability benefit that you can apply for through the federal government. So there are all kinds of benefits that are available, and what is interesting in the system is depending on your level of income, you can't receive all these benefits simultaneously. They often have set-offs under the policies so that, for instance, under the accident benefit system, the first payor would be your private disability benefits, also known as your short-term or long-term disability. If there's a shortfall for whatever reason, up to a maximum percentage, the income replacement benefit could kick in.